tuning in again. First of all, I would like to wish all of you a happy new year. Since this is the new year, I wanted to talk about one of my resolutions that I would like to complete this year, and that is just taking better care of my hair. I recently thought about it and realized that this will be my 10th year being natural, which is so crazy to me because I can't believe I've been natural since 2008. And as my natural hair anniversary closely approaches, I wanted to just really take more time to talk about my hair care routine and like the things that I use. And if you read my blog, you know that I post a lot of blog posts about taking care of your natural hair. So I wanted to share some tools / products that I've been using the entire 10 years that I've been natural. And even in the laziest times taking care of my hair, I realized that I never strayed from any of these tools or products. So I wanted to share those with you, and hopefully it'll be helpful to some of you, especially if you have type 4 hair like my own. Anyway, before we get into that, I would like to ask you all to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more content like this. Alright, so the first product or tool actually that I have always loved using are bobby pins. Bobby pins. Okay, I love bobby pins for a couple of reasons. Because I can put my hair in an updo if I want to using these. If I have a bun that I need to use, you can secure a bun down with this. Even if I have like maybe some kinky hair that I want to add into my hair, it's easy to use bobby pins. And I have a cute or a cool trick that I use like when my hair is just acting crazy, because I don't know if you're like me, but like with twist outs and I have like this love-hate relationship where 50% of the time I look amazing in a twist out, and then the other 50% of the time, maybe like as soon as I take down my hair or a couple of hours into the day, I look like a hot mess. So what I do, even like on regular days when I'm wearing my hair down, is I'll take a couple of bobby pins and just put them along my hairline, like hide them in there. The great thing about it is you don't feel it, but you know that you have something in there in case you're having a bad hair day. And if that happens, all I need to do is run into the bathroom, take out a couple of bobby pins, and pin my hair up into this amazing updo. But it's great for that. Another thing I like doing with bobby pins is that I like scattering them into my bags, my handbags at the bottom. I'll put at least 5 of them. And that goes along with my hairline as well. I always put 5 inside my hair so that I can like access them in case I have any sort of hair emergency. Alright, another product that I've been using since day 1 of being natural, and I don't talk about it too much, but I realized like when I was like washing my hair maybe a month ago, that I never go without using this product on a regular basis on my wash days. So that is coconut oil, or not coconut oil, coconut cream, which is so good. I know a lot of naturals have this love-hate relationship with coconuts, especially coconut oil, because you can definitely OD on coconut oil, and then it can cause brittleness, breakage, dryness, which is never good. But since I really don't use coconut oil in my hair care regimen, the way I incorporate coconut cream is into my deep conditioner. Now, I wrote a blog post a while back about how important deep conditioning is for your hair, for health, and also for length retention. So I will put a link down below for that. But what I basically do with the coconut cream is that I add like a tablespoon of it to any deep conditioner mix that I'm using. And yeah, I do that, and maybe like a couple of oils and different things, and I smack that on my head, and I'm deep conditioning, and my hair looks luscious, it's strong, it's moisturized, it's fortified, it's everything you can think of, and I love it. And it's been great for me in terms of length retention. Okay, now that we're on the topic of length retention, the third tool or product actually that I have been using since day one, since I cut off my hair, I big chopped, and I was like, oh my god, I look like a boy, I don't want to look like a boy too long, was castor oil. And I'm not saying that I look like a boy, but I felt like so weird about my hair being short until I fell in love with it. But anyway, in the meantime, I was using castor oil as a growth stimulant. And castor oil is great because it is a growth stimulant. You don't have to have Jamaican black castor oil. You can just go out to your pharmacy and get whatever castor oil they're selling. You can find this specific castor oil in basically any pharmacy in Nigeria. It's usually around 300 to 400 naira per bottle, and I use it for different things. Like I use it as of course a growth oil, and I warm it up and I'll put it on my scalp and massage it into my scalp. But I'm sure, and I haven't really read this too much, but it's an amazing pre-poo, and I've used it for a pre-poo since I first went natural. So here's the thing, all you need to do is spray some water on your hair, maybe the night before you're gonna wash your hair. Then you'll put like a handful of castor oil, rub it all over your hair from your root to your to the tips of your hair, and then you can cover up your hair with a shower cap. But you know me, I like using a plastic bag because I haven't bought a shower cap in literally years. So I'll sleep with the plastic bag wrapped around my hair, and then in the morning your hair will feel so luscious and soft. You can rake your hands through your hair super easy. And yeah, then I'll just go on to washing my hair and detangling and deep conditioning and all of that good stuff. But castor oil is a great pre-poo. Okay, so another tool, or the fourth tool, that I don't think I've ever gone without them. I probably have too many of them at this point, but water bottles, spray bottles. These are great for different purposes. You can use these like, I use them for multiple things. Currently in this bottle, I have a tea strengthening concoction that I made, and it's filled with like hibiscus tea and olive oil and eucalyptus oil, and I just spray it over my hair every 3 days when my hair is feeling like really brittle and like feeling like it could break, and it's just a great strengthening spray. But I also put different things in water bottles. Sometimes I just use plain old water, sometimes I make my own leave-in conditioner, and other times I'll make like a detangling concoction slash spray that I make. So I love water bottles. Okay, and then the final product that or tool actually, that I have used from day one, even before I went natural, was a satin pillowcase. Alright, so I have tons of satin pillowcases, I have tons of bonnets, I have tons of scarves, all of that stuff. And also I kind of sleep crazy, and my bonnet or scarf can like go anywhere on my bed. So I usually, even if I'm wearing a bonnet or a scarf, will always have a satin pillowcase, like, because it's amazing. You don't have to do anything, you just lie down and your hair is being protected. Because I don't know if you know this, but cotton can strip your hair of moisture, which isn't good. So I have these satin pillowcases, and you can find them all over Lagos, all over Nigeria. However, they're just great to have. One tip I would give you about satin bonnets or pillowcases is that you shouldn't like use them like without washing them often, because you have oil that you're leaving on here and it can definitely result in breakouts. So I would recommend that you wash them every 4 to 5 days. And because they're relatively inexpensive, especially for the amount of time that you're going to keep them, I would recommend that you buy at least like 3 so that you have them like in constant rotation. But I have tons of them and I love using them. Definitely let me know if you have any questions down below. I would love to hear your comments on if you've used any of these products. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.